So here's how to log out of ChatGPT. First up, let's head over to the ChatGPT website. And as you can see, I'm already here. Just go over to chatgpt.com. Once here, you will get to see an interface like this. You can see the version of ChatGPT that you're using. And on the left panel, you will get to see all the chats that you've had with ChatGPT. In the middle here, you have the text input field, and on the right side of it, you have the voice options. When you're logged in, you will get to see your profile on the bottom left corner. And if you click on it, you will see the logout option right here. So, if you want to log out, just click on Logout. And when you're prompted with this pop-up, just click on Log Out to confirm. This way, you can easily log out of ChatGPT from any of your devices. And if you want, you can log back in by clicking on the login option on the top right corner. And that's it. That is exactly how to log out of ChatGPT.